Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Razer Optical switch versus mechanical switches. We will explore the core differences in how they operate and what that means for your typing and gaming experience. Understanding these distinctions is key to choosing the right keyboard for your needs. We'll delve into actuation, durability, and overall feel, helping you make an informed decision. Razer Optical switches offer significant advantages, especially for competitive gaming. Their light-based actuation means virtually no input lag, giving you a fraction of a second edge. With a lifespan of up to 100 million keystrokes, they are incredibly durable. The absence of debounce delay ensures every press is registered instantly and accurately, making them a reliable choice for intense sessions. Mechanical switches, on the other hand, are celebrated for their satisfying feel and sound. Many users appreciate the distinct tactile bump or audible click, which provides clear feedback with each press. There's a vast array of switch types available, from linear to clicky, allowing for incredible personalization. This variety ensures you can find a switch that perfectly matches your preferred typing or gaming style. So, which is better for you? If lightning-fast response times and extreme durability for competitive gaming are your top priorities, Razer Optical switches are an excellent choice. However, if you value a highly customizable, tactile, and audibly satisfying typing experience, mechanical switches might be more suitable. Ultimately, trying out different types will help you discover your perfect keyboard companion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.